It's an interesting story. I mean, you would think a brand like HEYDUDE came out of the Midwest in America from, some American guy that uses the word dude every day. But the brand was actually founded by an Italian shoemaker. So it's an Italian brand originally about 15 years ago. And the focus was on the product, on the comfort that it could deliver. And somehow he came up with the name HEYDUDE. And the brand for the past 13, 14 years really developed mainly in Italy and Spain. They had a bit of a global distribution going on, but there wasn't, I think, the global strategy that now is in place as a result of Crocs' acquisition of the brand about 2 years ago. Crocs bought the brand for $2.5 billion about 2 years ago because of their belief in what it could be and what they could bring to the table in terms of turning this brand into the global player that Crocs is today. I mean, HEYDUDE, the whole concept of HEYDUDE is about this kind of laid-back, casual, fun, accessible, affordable, fun way of living. So the shoes are versatile. They're made for men, they're made for women, they're made for children, and they're really for any individual in any demographic that has any kind of laid-back part of their lifestyle that they want to kind of enjoy. So as long as you're in the HEYDUDE frame of mind, which all of us, I believe, in Aruba and in the wider Caribbean are each and every day, this is a product for you. It epitomizes what you live every day. This island lifestyle, this casual kind of feel-good way of living, and this approach to life that is intended to be fun-loving and appreciative of good times. So the iconic silhouette of HEYDUDE is a slip-on. It's a slip-on loafer, and the Wally is the model for men, and the Wendy the model for women. And the whole function is slip-on, ease of wear, and casual approach to life. So they're very lightweight, they're very comfortable, and they can be packed in a suitcase and are perfect for travel, right? Because you can fit 3 or 4 pairs in a very kind of small weight form and be able to use them day in, day out, during the day and at night. So that's the whole concept: versatility, comfort, and functionality. So, we're in a place today with this brand that makes us very excited. The brand is on a trajectory that is going in a very fast pace for a global presence long term. And they're working with key distributors in every market to turn this vision into a reality. So we're very privileged, we're very honored to be partnered with a brand like this that trusts in us as a partner, but also believes, as we do, that this is a brand that belongs in the Caribbean. So we are here with HEYDUDE hand in hand to make this brand the global brand that both they and we believe it can be. This is the first step of that. I hope you like what you see. It's a beautiful concept. It is a prototype, I think, for what is to come. It's, this is the first HEYDUDE store in Aruba, the first HEYDUDE store in the Caribbean, and the first HEYDUDE store of this concept in the world. So HEYDUDE is bringing to Aruba their first introduction of what the future of HEYDUDE retail will look like. This is huge for the island of Aruba. I think it's a testament to what it means for HEYDUDE lifestyle, and it is what makes it HEYDUDE country. So I think there's two. It's an iteration of the Wally. The Wally is your everyday go-to as far as myself, and the Wendy for women. And the shoe is easy to wear. You can wear it during the day and at night. You can dress it up, dress it down as you like. And they have a nice iteration that I think is pretty cool for a place like Aruba called the HEY2O. And this is a water-based shoe. So the sole has holes within it as well as holes on the side. It's very much a loafer. It looks exactly like the regular Wally, but it's intended so that when you wear it in the water drains out, it dries quickly, and you can go back to doing what you were going to do, which is perfect for our islands.